How to pronounce Negro, a pronunciation tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to pronounce the word Negro. Before we begin, I want to note that this tutorial is provided strictly for educational and linguistic purposes. The term Negro has historical usage, but it is considered outdated and potentially offensive in many modern contexts. If you're learning pronunciation for historical texts or academic purposes, this guide is here to help. Start with the first syllable, ʻniː. It sounds exactly like the word knee without the silent K. Now, move to the second syllable, ɡroʊ. It starts with a hard G sound, as in the word grow, followed by a short O sound. Listen and repeat, grow. Now, let's put the syllables together. Listen carefully, Negro, 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 Negro. To recap, break the word into two parts, ʻniː and ɡroʊ. The correct pronunciation is NEE-gro. Emphasize the first syllable and maintain a clear, crisp second syllable. Thank you for joining this pronunciation tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or additional pronunciation topics you'd like us to cover.